कालचे आमकां डायरेक्शन्स दिले त्या प्रमाणे वी हॅव एन्श्योर्ड दॅट the road from highway to SGPDA market is clear of all kinds of vendors. कारण लोकांक थंय खूब inconvenience जाताले. Secondly, there was a complaint from the retail fish market which was addressed by the government, and we had directions from the government to ensure that no retail fish is being sold at the SGPDA market outside the gate. So we have cleared all the retail fish vendors from the fish market outside the gate, and elsewhere the pavements and the footpaths also are cleared for convenience of the public. Sache also farak astana, nobody will be allowed to sit on the pavements and footpaths. They are meant for public to walk freely.
SGPD मार्केट म्हणजे होलसेल मार्केट.
Wholesale SGPD.
ते बाहेर बसताले त्यांना
बाहेर बसताले त्यांना.
टायमिंग मी किती?
No, they are all throughout the day they will not be allowed to sit. Timing.